good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on when you watch this. Wanted to, of course, leave you with something really quick. I'm sure most of you have heard the news about Tintri coming very close to filing for bankruptcy before being acquired. And because of this news, a lot of your end users are left with their arms up in the air and not knowing what to do about support, as it's no longer going to be offered by the OEM. So customers are coming to you saying, hey, Mr. Reseller, Mrs. MSP, what have you, what do we do about support? Because they bought this platform not anticipating the news of Tintri going out of business. So additionally, they didn't budget for it. So, there's really no solution until Procurri has decided to invest a substantial amount into Tintri this summer. So we are able to spare up, acquire some key engineers for us to support Tintri until your customer is able to migrate off of this platform. So it's a great opportunity for you to save your customer, come in there when they need you most. This covers anything from the T540s, 650s, 850s, the 5040s. Those are kind of our bread and butter right now and what we're able to support. This portfolio will grow over the next coming months until, like I said, until they are ready to migrate off of Tintri entirely, more than likely next year. So we're happy to bridge that gap for you. We're here to help you. If you have questions, reach out. There's a multitude of other solutions that we can help you with as your customers are questioning Tintri and what to do moving forward steps. We're happy to point your feet in the right direction. So if you have questions, you have concerns, reach out to Ali Reiner or myself. As always, we're more than happy to help, and we will talk to you all soon. Y'all have a great day. See ya.